Let's take a look at the latest updates from the parking industry. Following their installation at Gun Lake, their 18th casino installation to date, INDECT are growing their presence in the gaming industry. The newly installed system from INDECT and Parking Guidance Systems monitors over 960 spaces as well as a new VIP section. Shoppers at the Olympia shopping centre in Antibes will find it much easier to find a space following the installation of a ParkHelp parking guidance system. 4 license plate recognition cameras control the entrance and exit, while a parking guidance system and 9 indoor displays direct drivers to the nearest available spots. The Grade 2 listed Preston bus station, which includes Europe's largest car park when it was completed in 1969, has undergone an extensive renovation, which includes a waterproofing and surfaces solution provided by Triflex. The Triflex deck floor and deck floor ramps were installed to provide a durable surface while causing minimal disruption during installation. In Venlo, the construction of the new Blok van Gent parking garage is due to begin. The new parking garage, which will be completed in 2020, will be developed in an energy-efficient manner using largely sustainable building materials. Once construction is completed, Q Park will be responsible for managing the 200-space facility. Automatización y Tráfico, ALTO, has become DESIGNA ALTO in a move which sees DESIGNA continue to invest in Mexico. DESIGNA and the newly rebranded DESIGNA ALTO have jointly implemented several projects. By working closely together, new features can be developed with the Mexican market in mind, helping to meet the needs of new and existing customers. Registrations are now open for the Parking Industry Expo 2019, which will be taking place in Illinois from the 11th to the 14th of March. We will be exhibiting along with 100 vendors, so get in touch to make an appointment or drop by our booth to see us. This year we are excited to be hosting our airport and shopping centre parking network event, as well as our first ever venue parking network event. This intimate and informal networking event will bridge gaps and develop productive business relationships within the venue parking industry. During the event, we will come together to generate solutions to common problems such as balancing capacity during an event and downtime, implementing wayfinding to reduce congestion, and automation to reduce staffing costs. Visit parkingevent.com for more information and register now to get your year off to a great start. That's it for this week. Follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Alex Fontaine and I'll be seeing you next time.